We are getting close to Gibraltar. Tarifa is over there. Africa's in front of us. The objective is trying to get east, and then of course getting through Gibraltar and see what's the plan is for the Med.
And what happened with the boats ahead, with the winds of weather?
Yeah, they were able to squeeze through Gibraltar with really nice breeze. So they're still fast and quite far away. Unfortunately, we lost quite a lot of contact with them. And unfortunately, we're really close now to Alla Grande. They really made a big comeback coming from behind with more breeze. So, not ideal. So it's sailing.
Yeah.
Yeah, not ideal. So, still long. I think there's still a lot of changes, and the Med is really tricky. So I think until we cross the finish line, we have to make sure we minimize mistakes and trying to keep the boat moving, and we will see at the end.
You got this. And that breeze is going to fill before they get to us.
Sounds like.
Ah ouais, on dirait que ça boue. Non. Là on est encore en flux, mais peut-être si après on a un peu d'ado, on est content d'y aller. So, can you tell me what just happened?
Yes, so we've been sailing through the Gibraltar Straits, and it turns out there's a lot of fishing nets that are currently being laid there at the moment, right in the middle of the shipping lane. And so we saw one slightly too late and ended up sailing straight through it, and it got fully wrapped up around the boat, around the keel. We had the kite up at the time, so we had to quickly douse the kite and then try and figure out how to get out of it. So we tried sailing out of it firstly, didn't really manage, tried cutting a few of the ropes, and eventually we managed to kind of break free. And so I just had to quickly dive down at the end there just to check everything was free, and had found a bit of net down on the keel at the bottom there. So 5 minutes later we sailed straight into another one, but luckily managed to break free from that. But yeah, a bit of a challenging evening night for us, but I think we did well to come out of it, and yeah, we'll keep going.
And did the boat sustain any damage? Is everyone okay on board?
Yeah, no, everything's fine. Obviously it's one of those things that's annoying. We're not the only ones out on our race course, and definitely a bunch of scratches on the keel and on the foil, but it's all nothing metallic. It's just rope, so bit of paint jobs I think for the end of the race, but nothing that's going to hinder us at all. So everything should be fine. I think we'll try to do another check tomorrow morning, make sure we definitely have got nothing on the keel after that second net, but so far the speed seemed fine, so we're not too worried. It's just annoying more than anything. We feel like we're just getting into the wind in Gibraltar, and then just nothing we could do really to avoid them. So yes, very, very frustrating, but I think now we're through it, it's okay.
And talking about racing and resuming racing, what's the situation like now for Malizia?
Yeah, so we this afternoon, Alegrand Mappe, boat behind, had a really nice wind situation. They've got the sea breeze a lot better than us, so they've actually managed to gain that 2 hours that we had on them in Porto. So yeah, we've got a little bit of a fight on here. They're just crossing 0.3 of a mile behind us right now, so it's nice to have a friend around, nice to have another boat to push with. And the other guys are still quite far ahead. They've had the acceleration, but the Mediterranean's looking really like all over the place. So we just got to see what happens really. Keep racing as hard as we can, and the goal is to get to Cartagena as quickly as possible. And I think if anything, we feel a bit, now that these guys are caught up a bit, I think we feel a bit more open to just sailing the race how we want to. And we're not here to fight for 4th or 5th place. We're here to try and fight for higher up. So we're going to see what we can do to catch up. So.
Cool. Now high five. You got this. Well done.
Try and get a knife. Okay, she's lifted the rudder up.
Got the rudder up.
If I put the keel, look, it's a big mess in there. Fuck. I think we should stop the kite and try and go forwards. Let's stop the kite and try and go forwards, okay?
Forward.
You have a knife? You have a knife and yeah.
Okay, guys?
Don't die. Okay.
Is the keel in center or what? We good, yeah.
Okay.
done, guys.
Yeah. Main on traveler. Well done, William.
Yeah, sorry. Flo pointed it out, and then it just kept going.
Yeah.
It was so
It just kept
long.
going.
There was no exit.
I don't know what we would have done in that. Maybe we could have stopped the kite a bit quicker, but.
Thrusters are down, okay?
Okay, let's get settled again.
C'est pas l'idéal. On aimerait bien avoir un peu de vent. Bah déjà on a commencé avec un filet dans la quille.
Ouais, c'est pas un bon début de nuit.
Ben,
Et le courant?
bah, le courant pour l'instant est dans le bon sens, donc ça c'est bien. Et voilà.
Et ma paille?
Et ma paye, ils sont là. Ils nous regardent, on les regarde.
On flotte ensemble.
Ils appellent tous les cargos du quartier.
Ah ouais?
Ils leur demandent si ça va, s'ils peuvent pas dégager.
C'est vrai?
Ouais. Et voilà. Par contre, nous, ils nous répondent pas. Je les ai appelés, pas de réponse. Ils nous snobent. C'est ça. Qu'est-ce que tu veux que je te dise?
Bon. Courage, camarade.
Ouais. Tu devrais aller dormir, pas faire de la tête.
Assez facile d'accès au final. Ça va, ouais. Pas facile comme situation.
Bah, on avance pas quoi.